Skyactiv technology, right? So, great question. I'm just going to ask y'all, what is Skyactiv technology? I'm going to be really honest. I am not your Mazda expert, right? So I am not aware of Skyactiv technology, but it has to be for aliens or something, right? Or it's not Earth technology, it's not water technology. Skyactiv technology. So I'm sure it's in cahoots with Starlink or something else, right? So anyhow, my friends, obviously this car's from not Oklahoma, it's from Texas. So not 100% sure what's going on, but what I do know for sure is this person was in Elk City and they called us because they hopped in their car and it would not move. And that's a unfortunate turn of events. It's a different turn of events to be a long ways from home, hop in your car and it won't move. So this little lady called us, had us come tow it. We looked at it when we got here to make sure it wasn't something simple, and sure enough, it's not building any line pressure in the transmission. It's not the transmission, the fluid is completely burnt, it's completely wore out. It will not move forward, backwards, any which gear. I have another vehicle over there that the transmission is out of. It won't move in forward, but it'll still move in reverse. More often than not, when a transmission starts to check out, it doesn't lose the ability to move at all, but this one has a CVT transmission in it. CVT stands for constant velocity transmission. And you might be saying, well, I don't care, Jesse. I don't care that that stands for constant velocity transmission. You're right, and neither do I. What you should care about, though, is it should really stand for constantly needing worked on transmission, or something like that, right? The CVT transmissions are not great transmissions. All these manufacturers probably going to be sending me demand letters, cease and desist. Don't say that anymore, right? I believe Honda has a CVT transmission out that they're having some pretty good results with. But like the Nissan Maximas, Nissan Altimas, all the ones that have the CVT transmissions in them, we have quoted out so many. The transmissions are so expensive. There's not an aftermarket option available. They have to come from Nissan, right? And more often than not, when you buy a used one, it's already out or it's not working, right? And it's just a lot of labor. It's a lot of expense, right? So basically, a long story short, there's a sheave, a variable sheave, and there's a chain in there, and there's a pump. And when one of those three things wears out or quits working, then the whole transmission goes down, right? And it's a bad deal, right? So the solution is to do the transmission service. Absolutely must do transmission service on it every 30,000 miles to get the maximum life out of the transmission that you're going to get. That's true for any transmission, but that is especially true for the constant velocity transmissions. If you're going to keep it having constant velocity down the road, you're going to have to be attentive to doing the maintenance when the maintenance is due, and that's every 30,000 miles. Honestly, if I owned a CVT, I'd probably do it even a little bit quicker than that, depending on how it's driven, the temperature, so on and so forth. So, hope this helps. If you own a Nissan, or in this case, if you own a different car, any car that's got the CVT transmission in it, let me know. What kind of mileage are you getting? How long did it go before it broke down? What kind of service do you do? What kind of maintenance do you do? What kind of fluid do you use? Drop that in the comments. I'll read them. See you next time.